Introduction. North Carolina LLC. How to start an LLC in North Carolina in 2024. Step-by-step guide. Thinking about starting an LLC in North Carolina? Creating an LLC for your business will give you the liability protection you need. This means that your personal assets will be safer in the case of a lawsuit against your business. We will provide you with 5 easy steps to follow when forming your LLC and more valuable information on how to keep it running successfully. Choosing a name. Find a registered agent. Filing LLC articles of organization. Creating an operating agreement for the LLC. Obtaining an EIN. Get your notebooks out cause the first thing to do is choosing a name. Understandably, you would want to name your LLC something unique and close to your heart. However, there are some ground rules for that. The name should have Limited Liability Company (LTD), Liability Company (LTD), Liability Co. (LLC) or LLC. Don't choose a name that resembles any government agency, insurance company, bank or business with a specific license. Don't confuse the name by choosing something that may imply a different business entity like Corp, INC or Trust. Your LLC's name should be unique and different from any existing businesses. You should check out the North Carolina Department of State website for more specific naming regulations. You can search for any name on the North Carolina search portal and see if it is available. The link to the search portal is in the description. If you have checked and the name is available, you must secure the domain. Even if not immediately, you will eventually need a domain on your business name to create a website. Find a registered agent. A registered agent is a point of contact between your LLC and the state. Before deciding, these are the responsibilities of this title. They receive legal documents, official correspondence, notices, and communications from the state. The registered agent must have a street address and be available at all business hours to receive. You can choose anyone, a friend or family member, to be the registered agent for your LLC. If you don't want your address to be on public record or you can't think of someone who could play this role, you can get a professional for this job. Our choice of registered agent is Northwest. They have been in the industry for over 25 years and what makes them stand out from the rest is their price. With just a $10 per month, you can take advantage of their services. They will take care of everything from forwarding your mails to responding to the government with ease and no hassle to you. Once you have been decided who will be your registered agent, you will have enough information for your LLC to file articles of organization. This document will officially declare all the crucial information about your LLC, namely the LLC name, who is the registered agent, the street address of the registered agent. Articles of organization must be filed with the state with the cover sheet. The filing fee is $125. The cover sheet can be accessed from the Secretary of State's website. Go to the North Carolina Secretary of State website and select Business Registration from the menu. Scroll down to the Forms fee and click on it. Now you will see options for choosing the division and the form. Choose the business registration in the division option and the business entities common option in the forms. Scroll down to see links to download the cover sheet for corporate filings. The fastest way to do this is to file the articles of organization with the cover sheet online through the North Carolina Department State's website. Your submission will be approved within 3 to 5 business days. You can print out Form L01, fill it out and mail it to the North Carolina Secretary of State's office with a payable check. This method will approve your LLC in 4 to 6 days, but do not forget the cover sheet. You should receive a cover letter acknowledging the successful formation of the LLC with a stamped and approved copy of your articles of organization. The next step is to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement helps your business's operation run smoothly. You don't need to file an operating agreement with the state, but it is essential for several reasons. It determines who the owner is, who the manager is, and who the members will be. It helps keep your LLC's environment free of conflicts, explain everyone's responsibilities, and serves as a mutual agreement between the members. It is not mandatory for an LLC in North Carolina. We recommend it because some banks may ask for it when you try to get a business account or want a loan. Using the templates provided by Northwest Registered Agent, you can draft an operating agreement quickly. Click the link in the description to go there. Next we get an EIN. An LLC as a legal entity also need an identity. It will be the Employee Identification Number or EIN. It is also a federal tax ID number. you can get your LLC's EIN for free. The LLC will need this EIN for things like banking, taxes, licenses, hiring employees. Wait for your LLC's name and formation approval before applying for an EIN. The SS4 form on the IRS website allows you to choose your state, North Carolina, and submit it. You will receive your EIN almost immediately. The link to form SS4 is in the description, so you can check it out directly. You can also do this by fax or mail. Unfortunately, this method will take days to weeks to get you an EIN. If you don't have an SSN or ITIN to put in the form, write foreign where it asks and you should be able to submit it. And there you have it. The steps to create an LLC in North Carolina are completed. Once you get your EIN, you are in business. Post formation steps. These steps will keep your business organized and grow without getting in trouble for missing a deadline. First, an LLC in North Carolina must file an annual report. There is no fine for filing your annual report late, but the LLC can get in trouble if you don't, and it can also dissolve. When you file for an annual report online, the fee is $203. If you file for an annual report by paper, the filing fee is $200. The deadline for filing the annual report is before April 15th every year. The first filing should be done the year following the formation of the LLC. Enter your LLC's name on the Secretary of State's website search portal. Select filing the annual report to the online or print it out to do it on paper by mail. The report should go to the mailing address on the screen. Second, depending on your business type, get the permits and license your LLC requires. If you need help, you can call your country or state organization officials to determine what specific license your LLC may need. Third, suppose your LLC offers or sells taxable goods or services. In that case, it is best to register your LLC with the North Carolina Department of Revenue. If you plan to hire new employees or rehire old ones from before the LLC was formed, you must report to the North Carolina New Hire Directory. Next, your bank accounts, financial dealings, credit cards, and any assets for you and your company must be kept separate. This will maintain limited liability protection for the LLC. Hire an accountant. Any business plan can go wrong, so it's best to get business insurance to keep your business safe. If you follow these post formation steps, your LLC is ready for your brightest business ideas for years to come. To recap, here are all the steps we covered to start an LLC in North Carolina. Choose a name. Find a registered agent. File LLC articles of organization. Create an LLC operating agreement. Obtain an EIN. Once your LLC is officially approved and you are in the business, follow these post formation steps to ensure a smooth business experience. File the annual reports promptly. Get a license or permit if your business requires one. Register with the North Carolina Department of Revenue. Report newly hired or rehired employees. Hire an accountant. Get business insurance. You can find all the links I mentioned in the description. If you still have questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Good luck with starting your very own business in North Carolina.